Lee, what are you doing? No, no, don't make stupid faces against the window. Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. What? That's not the right. What is it? Oh, the Spider-Man. Oh. What is good, YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and I am back. I can't believe that we survived 2020. It is now 2021. I'm gonna start this year with a fresh new video for you guys. Yes, I am finally using my iPhone XS to record. For y'all that don't know, the old videos, the last year, all the videos before in the past, I've been freaking recording on my iPhone 15, aka iPhone 6S. Yes. I don't care, right? People enjoyed my content. That's the most important thing. It's not about the high def video or the high def audio. By the way, I am attached to my phone right now with this new mic. I'm finally using this mic. My goodness, I hate Apple because they keep changing the ports. I have to spend $10 plus tax to be able to plug this 3.5 millimeter jack into the damn phone, the lightning port. Now, we got three unboxing for y'alls. And if you guys like shoes, Reebok, female superheroes, Wonder Woman, you're gonna love this video. To keep it a little bit interesting, I actually invited Lee over, and it's a mistake, but I really hope not, because he told me that he watched the Wonder Woman 84 movie that just came out not long ago, online of course. Just because he's Asian doesn't mean he's going to pirate the movie, fakey, bootleg, whatever, right? I think you paid, how much did you pay? $30. He paid $30 to watch by himself at home. Oh my God. Anyways, he said it was a good movie, so I'm going to go check it out when I have time. But yeah, like, he's going to take over. So I'm going to give you the mic. No, don't. Lee, oh my God, don't clip it on your hair. Don't clip on your glasses, your mask. Just clip it on your shirt before I hand over the stage to him. Lee from Lee's ASMR. Yes, Asian Secret Movie Room. He has a stupid YouTube channel. Go check it out. It's in the link below. And yeah, he's been featured in a lot of my previous Sneaker Clinic videos. You know, that other Asian guy that's... Anyways, whatever. Okay, yeah? You ready? Yeah, fool. Oh my God. I need to get a chair, alright. Yeah, like this, too close, too close. I keep it on my shirt for YouTube. He finally invite me over to his new sexy room. No, not sexy. Sneaker room. He told me not to waste time. The shoe with you. Oh, Reebok. I like the box. So nice. What is this? Look like, he say it look like the VHS. I don't know. I know the DVD and Blu-ray and 4K. Ooh. Oh my God, such a cool design. Let's remove this plastic steel butt thing. He wants me to show every detail. This is the steel butt toilet paper. The wrapping very cool. Oh, the shoe is gold. Oh, 我中意個金色啊 I like the gold color. Put the shoe there. Anything Oh, the design is so cool. Very nice gold laces. No, not the gold laces. The gold laces. Okay, the back butt shot. Wonder Woman go logo. The inside so cool. WW 84. The other side is 紅色 red color. Ooh, the bottom is also very cool. It have some shiny gold thing. Cool. What is this shoe? CL MU. You need the sex? Oh, sorry, Leon. Focus. For running. Another Reebok Wonder Woman unboxing. The box looks the same. Okay. Ooh, I will read the back. He told me to read. I don't know. Captures all the style. Delivers unrivaled aesthetics with superhuman fit. Okay, very cool. Same design. Again, the toilet stupid paper. Look like some cool Wonder Woman logo design. I like this shoe. This shoe look good. Good. And the different color. Oh, the inside also different color. Green and blue. Green and the orange. Pinky color no good. The bottom is almost like the invisible rubber. This is the other side. And then the other side. And then the tip. I like the tip. Oh, different color of the tip. So cool. Okay, this shoe, put it over here. Leon, how come your room is so hot? I think I am sweating. Oh no, my armpits are so wet. This shoe, workout plus. You need the sex. I am sweating because of your room is so small, so hot. I heard the news,唔知乜嘢 UK, UK not okay, something about the COVID 2.0. Oh my god. This is cool. Like all the old Wonder Woman comic, the cover. So nice everywhere. The stars. This shoe is called the Reebok Strength. Okay, size 12 again. Okay, all his size is size 12. Nothing inside. Oh, be careful of the box. Wonder Woman logo. Very cool. I like the whole. Oh, sorry, Leon. Toilet paper wrapping. More Wonder Woman. I think a different kind of logo. Very nice. Oh, very nice. So new and cool. The butt shot. The right butt shot has the star, and the other butt shot has some kind of. I don't believe it. Reebok has done it again. So nice. Okay. Pew pew pow. Very cool. Sexy Wonder Woman. The lips. Okay. Training shoe. How come it says the Euro size is 43? That is not size 12, Eon. This USA size 12. No, USA size 10. It says, oh no, Eon. It says size 10. Eon. Your shoe size 12 on the box, but the shoe is size 10. Of course, no, not a joke. Oh my god. YouTube. Thank you for watching my review with you for real. I give the video back to Leon. I think there's a boo-boo. The frick is he talking about? What's size 10? What? USA size 10. Made in Vietnam, yeah. USA size 10, UK 9, Euro 43, CM 28, millimeter 280. USA size 12, UK 11, 30 CM, Euro 45.5, 300 millimeter. Size 12. Size 12. Size 12. And size 12. Size 12. Size 12. Size 12. Did he show you guys yet? Size 10. Okay, so apparently Lee didn't F up. I didn't F up. Pretty sure I ordered size 12 for this. Okay, so seems like it's a Reebok F up. Wonder Woman F up. They sent me the wrong size, but the right box. Yeah. Lee, just go to the toilet. There's 2 toilets this time. Just pick one, lock yourself in the room. Just do whatever there. Wi-Fi should be better than the other place. Let me just do this for YouTube first. I need to I need to collect myself. Okay, take a deep breath. We got 2 out of 3 shoes. That's the right size. We don't wear the box. I'm not gonna wear the box. We wear the shoes, right? So I can't fit this size 10. The shoe is technically sold out because there's a limited pair of shoes. It seems like Reebok messed up. It's a little disappointing. This is unexpected. I don't know what to do. YouTube, you tell me what I should do. Here's what I think I should do. I was not able to successfully do a free sneaker giveaway last time. It was the Air Jordan 3 laser orange. I gave that away to one of my other friends. If you really want to watch that video, it's titled I Am Sorry. But yeah, maybe we should start this new year with something cool. I think this is what I'm gonna do right now because of this Reebok and Wonder Woman F-Up, even though it's not Wonder Woman's F-Up. I kind of like Gal Gadot. I don't know how to say her name. Gal Gadot. I can't wear this, so maybe I should just do a sneaker giveaway to you guys. Yeah, let's just do that, okay? You're gonna know it came from me if the winner is selected because it's gonna come in a size 12 box, but the shoe is size 10. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're also subscribed to my Instagram channel, sneaker.clinic as well. Number 3 would be comment down below the actual shoe size for this particular shoe that I have in hand and the actual shoe name. So if you guys can do all those 3 things, I will select the winner. The first person to actually leave a comment and everything is correct, I'm gonna ship the shoes to you. This is not a lie. This is not a joke. I don't have time for this. And I will contact that winner directly. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This should be my first free sneaker giveaway. I think this actually worked out fine, even though it's not my boo-boo. I really wanted to wear these pair of shoes, but you know what? They're not my size, so I'm not gonna suffer my feet into this pair of cool kicks. All I can say is, oh yeah, of course, like the video, right? Like what I do. And until next time, I'm gonna check on Lee because I don't want him to do another poo-poo explosion in the toilet and have to clean it up again. So I think that's it, right? Peace? Yeah, peace? Okay, yeah, we're good.